like that sign though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's more worried about the
More
stupid
signs.
sign.
I don't, yeah, I actually have some more ordered. So, I don't know what it is. And he's never worried about that sign.
That must be way right.
And when I'm working, it's getting a little bit, the edge worked off a little bit.
He has always looked for things to put her at in the beginning.
You really think he's too short to even just do a little bit of that? I don't know if it's okay.
I don't know. I usually he does.
I don't know Tim right here. I mean, I'm not saying I won't ride it, but I'm just saying, you know, we're.
Oh, yeah.
But even when he stops, he's just different on that.
Well, I see when we see it,
Right.
but I don't see a reason to be overly concerned.
I don't see anything different.
In combination with missing the same, the front shoe on the same side, I would be willing to bet he stepped on that and he pulled the shoe and tweaked on
Tweak
there at the
something
same
back
time.
there. Yeah. Well, he's been hooking up on everything.
Yes, head in that direction.
No shoe in the stall. Tim's trying to get centered of his fat pockets.
Yeah. Ain't got no withers, all I has is back. He barely even catch his back muscles up that time.
Hopefully this will help when our crazy neighbors that are like 30 feet from our arena
Oh, yeah.
start shooting when we're out there riding, doing lessons. They don't care. They blast away.
I know, right? I know, right?
What a good boy.
Yeah, I can barely feel his back muscles even tense it up.
Yeah.
Should try to do this on the side.
Yeah.
No sense to reinforce that.
That horse is down there eating butter. When you shoot the deer, it's like right, that's it. Yeah, and then first shot, you can't get rid of the water. Yeah, let's switch sides.
He's not even caring.